we're going to complete one more mathematical operation. Not because as a business owner it is necessarily an exactly valuable piece of information to have, but it's not a bad piece of information to have. However, I think we should cover addition in a spreadsheet. So we're going to add up the total cost column, the profit column, and the total profit column. As always, to calculate, I'm going to start with an equal sign. Somewhere along the way in a mathematics course, probably when you were just a small child, you learned that when you're adding, the answer has a particular name. It's the sum. At the time, you didn't really think that was a very useful piece of information, but we're going to use that right now. We're going to say this equation is equal to the sum of, and I'm going to open a bracket. Then I'm going to go to the top of my column. I'm going to click and drag. Your column is going to be much longer than my example here. Yours is going to go from D3 to D103 if you have your items all in. I'm going to close the bracket, and it's going to add that up for me. My total cost to purchase this, the check that I will be writing to my supplier, $2,475.85. When I sell all of these things, one of everything, not a very useful thing, but we're going to add it up anyways, just for the practice of adding. Equals the sum, open a bracket, click and drag, close the bracket. That's going to add it up. If I sell one of everything, I make $306.89. Again, not the most useful piece of information, but it's still information we can get. And so now we're going to add up the total profit. When I sell everything that I have just ordered from this wholesaler, equals the sum, click and drag, close the bracket. $854.82 is going to be my total profit after everything is sold. This concludes the spreadsheet assignment for this project.